Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a Shopify virtual assistant. We'll cover the essential steps, from understanding the role to finding your first clients and growing your business. This guide will help you navigate the path to a successful career supporting e-commerce stores. You'll learn about key skills, client acquisition, and scaling your services effectively. Get ready to unlock your potential in the e-commerce world. To excel as a Shopify VA, focus on mastering the platform itself. This includes product management, order fulfillment, and customer support. Strong communication is crucial for client satisfaction. Consider specializing in areas like SEO, email marketing, or app integration to stand out. Many free and paid resources are available to help you build these valuable skills and become an expert. Finding your first clients involves strategic outreach. Build a portfolio highlighting your Shopify expertise, even if it's from personal projects. Leverage platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and actively network within e-commerce communities. Consider offering a small, introductory service at a competitive rate, perhaps $25 per hour, to gain initial experience and gather valuable testimonials. Word of mouth is powerful. To grow your Shopify VA business, consider specializing in a niche, like dropshipping support or app development. Implement efficient systems to manage multiple clients and tasks, saving you valuable time. Stay updated on new Shopify features and trends to offer cutting-edge services. Actively seek referrals from satisfied clients and aim for long-term partnerships to ensure a steady income stream and continued success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.